Grow your own food, indoor vegetable gardening. Imagine stepping into your kitchen and picking fresh, organic vegetables right from your windowsill. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to grow your own food indoors, no matter where you live. Growing vegetables indoors offers a ton of advantages. You get access to fresh, organic produce all year round, regardless of the weather outside. Think about the money you'll save on groceries. Plus, it's a fantastic way to connect with nature and enjoy a rewarding hobby. Indoor gardening is more than just a trend. It's a sustainable way to enhance your well-being and enjoy delicious, homegrown food. To get started, you'll need a few essential supplies. First, grab some containers with drainage holes. This is crucial to prevent root rot and keep your plants healthy. Next, invest in a high-quality, soilless potting mix. This provides the necessary nutrients and ensures proper drainage for your vegetables. Of course, you'll need seeds or seedlings. Choose varieties that are well-suited for indoor growing. We'll cover that in the next section. Light is essential. A south-facing window is ideal, but if you don't have one, consider using grow lights to provide the necessary illumination. Finally, you'll need a watering can to keep your plants hydrated. A simple watering can will do the trick. Not all vegetables thrive indoors, so choosing the right varieties is key. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale are excellent choices because they are easy to grow and harvest quickly. Herbs like basil, mint, chives, and parsley also thrive indoors. They add flavor to your meals and are relatively low maintenance. Small pepper varieties, such as bell peppers and chili peppers, can be successfully grown in containers indoors. Just make sure they get enough light. Dwarf or bush tomato varieties are specifically bred for container gardening. They're perfect for growing delicious tomatoes indoors. Radishes are another great option for indoor gardens. They grow quickly and don't require a lot of space. Carrots can also be grown in containers, although you'll need to choose shorter varieties and provide deep enough pots. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Start by filling your containers with the soilless potting mix. Leave some space at the top for watering. Plant your seeds or seedlings according to the instructions on the seed packet or plant label. Pay attention to spacing and depth. Water your plants regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Check the soil moisture by sticking your finger in it. Ensure proper drainage by making sure water can freely flow out of the drainage holes. This prevents root rot. Provide your plants with at least 6 hours of light daily. If you're using grow lights, position them appropriately. Fertilize your plants every 2-4 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer. This provides them with the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. Monitor your plants regularly for pests and diseases. Early detection is key to preventing problems from escalating. Address any issues promptly. Whether it's pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies, take action to correct the problem as soon as possible. Sometimes, things don't go as planned. Yellowing leaves can indicate insufficient light or overwatering. Adjust accordingly. Pests like aphids and spider mites can sometimes infest indoor plants. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of infestation. Use organic pest control methods to get rid of pests. Insecticidal soap, neem oil, and beneficial insects are all good options. Adjust light and watering as needed based on your plant's specific needs. Every plant is different, so pay attention to their signals. Indoor gardening is a learning process, so don't be discouraged if you encounter challenges along the way. Experiment, learn, and have fun. With a little effort and attention, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown vegetables year-round, right in your own home. Ready to start your indoor garden? Grab your supplies, choose your favorite vegetables, and get planting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Share your indoor gardening journey with us in the comments below. We can't wait to see what you grow. Happy gardening!